Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Stinger GT line. This one's finished in Panthera metal over black with a total price of a falling window sticker. With a total price of $36,480. That's pretty insane. And these, for leasing, the GT line leases a lot better than most people would think. It does sound pretty good for this being the 2-liter inline 4. Biggest bonus with the Stinger is it's actually a hatchback. Panthera metal is a great color choice for this car. This one just came off the truck, so it's a little dirty, but of course when you buy it, we'll get it all detailed for you. But you can see the metallic flake throughout. It's just absolutely amazing. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. We actually have one of these. Actually, no, it's not Panthera metal. It's a wolf gray, so it's a lighter gray with red interior. But if you can get this with red, that's the spec to get. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 2.0. Of course, the Stinger GT features a 3.3 V6. So there's a lot of room to work with here. There's your turbo right there. It is a twin scroll turbo, so it basically eliminates all of the nasty characteristics of turbocharged motors, meaning turbo lag and low power up top. So it just pulls from 1,000 RPM all the way to redline. No, I'm a huge fan of the Stinger. In both trims, GT line and the GT. The GT line was new for either 2019 or 2020. Instead of calling it the Stinger 2.0, it was just a normal Stinger. Now it's the GT line, which is kind of the Soul has it for its turbo model. It's called the GT line. The Forte has a Forte GT, but it also has a GT line. So GT and GT line are becoming Kia's, at least in the smaller cars. GT and GT line are the sporty editions, whereas in the SUVs, it's the SX. But I would assume eventually they'll make them all GTs and stuff like that. Absolutely gorgeous interior. All soft touch. Heated seats. Of course, backup camera. Paddle shifters behind this beautiful steering wheel. I don't think we'll be using those, the 8-speed automatic. It's a torque converter automatic, not a dual clutch like in the Forte GT and the new Sorento. But that actually just makes it a little bit more livable on a day-to-day basis. This wasn't created to be an all-out sports car. It's created to be a grand touring car, kind of like a cheaper Maserati Ghibli. That's also 20 times better than the Ghibli because the Ghibli is bad. For the money, oh man, there's a reason why they're 25 grand used with like 20,000 miles. Ghiblis are not very good. This is what the Ghibli should have been. It's better than the Ghibli, especially in the GT trim. It's weird to say this, but Maserati, take notes from Kia. You have to say how weird that is for me to say that? Oh, look at that. We sold that a little while ago. It's a Callaway Sierra. Never did get the chance to review that one. It sold so quickly. Good amount of power here. What's weird is the new Sorento has more power than this, but I'm thinking for 2022 when they revise the Stinger, I think at least they should, put the 2.5 in here, the new 2.5 turbo. That would be the very, very smart thing to do for them, just so the K5 and the Stinger have the same amount of power. But we'll see what ends up happening. I don't run Kia, so I can't make their decisions. Just what's nice about this car is the seating position. Now, I keep all the seating positions the exact same in every car, as low down in the seating adjustment as it can go. Creates kind of a similarity between everything, so I can really test the seating position and the overall feel of where the dashboard is on my height and everything like that. It's one of my criteria that I have to do with every single vehicle I review, just to make everything, if you're using my videos to cross shop between a bunch of different cars, it's my way of making it a perspective that you can rely upon. The camera's always mounted the same way, the seat's in the same position. It's making it repeatable and accurate. Now, I don't have a ruler to say, oh, the seat back is the exact same way, but I have it set for what I would drive my car in for every single car. It's just, back to the seating position of the car, it's just absolutely amazing. You're sat nice and low down, very, very sporty feel, but what they got right, compared to the Camaro, a lot of cars, they'll bring the dashboard way up to make you feel like you're sitting down low. This one, you feel like you're sitting down low, but you have the visibility of sitting up high. You know, like if you were in a SUV or anything like that. It's just the way they go about it. This is why I love Kia. They're so affordable, so cheap, but they're so well engineered. Pop it over into manual mode, play with the paddles. Wow. Can I just say, what a lovely car. The Stinger is just... it's the overall package. It's just absolutely sensational. Final test is, of course, the hill climb and the parking sensors. But, man, there's a reason why I want one of these. And now I still have 3 more to drive today. So, the fact that I just drive these whenever I can tells you a lot about this car. Turning circles just absolutely phenomenal too. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.